Alright, so we're going to get started over here in the field, filling in these ruts from earlier that I made and grading this off, getting it smoothed out, stripping some topsoil for the gravel yard, spread out some number 3s that I have here. I'm going to need a lot more. I'm going to work on some drainage down over here going out to the road, and put a culvert pipe in down there at the other entrance I'm making, and then we still have to work on the waterway, but that's probably going to be another day. We got the shed over here ready to put up from the other day. So we got our 2 jobs done, our little excavation jobs for the day. There'll be other videos, and did some hauling to other places. I got 15 tons of number 3 that I brought. I wish I need like 500 ton more, but I got James, my driver. He's training on a machine because he wants to do some machine work, and then Brandon, he's a driver and he also does all right on a machine. So they're grading out this field. This is going to be my gravel yard, as I've said in other videos, trying to get it leveled out. Not the field itself leveled out, but just the surface leveled out. And we're gonna get a bunch of gravel down. I got my carport that we just took down to go up, put equipment or tractor, trucks under. So yeah, we're just messing around here. Got some work to do for sure. And we're gonna run another entrance in over here, and I gotta put a culvert pipe in there probably tomorrow, work on some drainage. But pretty solid up here. I got my dump trailer stuck right in front of the excavator earlier. There'll be a video on that, on me getting it out. My pipe was clogged up over here, so I dug it out and I cleared this trench clear down to where it starts going down the hill so the water can flow. But I got it cleaned out. The pipes opened up. We put some rocks around it. I opened the other side up, so getting the water flowing and getting it out of the field too. Up here we got to get that straightened out. There's a low area right there that stays wet, and it's going to see a lot of traffic, so I got to get it pretty hardened up. We're going to put might have to put some bigger stone down and build a good base. Brandon's doing a nice job taking the top off down to our lower area that's real wet and getting this packed in so we can start spreading some gravel. There's a low spot right here. So we're widening this road. The loggers had this piece here. We're doing about a double lane, so it'll be nice and wide coming in. I should put fabric down, but I'm not too worried about it. We'll just keep stacking gravel. Get this filled in so it's not so damn wet. I don't know what's up with this skid steer, keeps shutting down. I don't know about these bobcats. I don't know if I want to buy one. This thing's got 500 hours on it. It's a 2016 and keeps throwing a code and shutting down.
I don't wanna go back. I'm just afraid that I'll lose you, and I don't wanna hide or waste another life.